Now that you've had a chance to work on graphing lines, we're going to do a couple of curves. It's going to be the exact same process of getting points from a website or from your app on your phone, and then putting the points onto the drawing and connecting them on the graph. So the function I'm going to do for you is f of x equals negative x squared minus 2x plus 1. I have found that this GeoGebra website is a little bit easier to use to get the table, so I'm going to use that one. I'm going to type my function rule right here into this box. So I will type in negative x squared. You see I'm using the keyboard. Minus 2x plus 1. So now I get a sense of where my graph is going to be going, and I need to get my table of values. Now, I'm allowed to choose any starting and ending x value, but a Regents grid goes from negative 10 to positive 10, and we want to make sure we fit as much of the graph as we can onto our diagram. If you look at these numbers, obviously not all of this will fit on our graph. It's negative 10 to positive 10 in all directions, on the x and on the y axis. So we need both of our numbers to fit within those boundaries. So obviously we can't do negative 5, negative 14 because we can't get to negative 14. So we're going to be going from negative 4 to just a positive 2 right there, to positive 2, negative 7. So those 6 points or 7 points are what I will plot on my graph. Remember how to plot. I've opened up the drawing. I'm now going to come to my scribbler, and I'm going to go to my first point of negative 4 and negative 7. I will hold down the mouse button while I move in a circle to create a point. Negative 3, negative 2 is my next point. Then I'm going to go to negative 2, 1, negative 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, negative 2, and then 2, negative 7. Once I have all of my points on my graph, I'm going to go to my curve, starting a little bit below the first point. Since if you remember the graph keeps going, I'm going to click, and then I click on each of the points that I plotted. Just click, 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 and once I get a little bit past, I'm going to double click, and there goes my line. I can make my line heavier. I can change the color of my line, my curve I should say, and I can add arrows to the ends of it. And that's how you graph a curve. Press save, and now it's in your document. There are 2 here for you to try. Give it a shot.